What to do if the seat heating is not working? First, check if the seat heating is turned off. Press the seat temp button. If the indicator light is off, it means the seat heating is off. Adjust it to the highest temp setting, red light. After adjusting to the highest temp, wait for 10 minutes. Then, open the seat lid and check if the seat temp has returned to normal status. Second, the toilet might be in energy-saving mode. When energy-saving mode is enabled, the seat temp will drop to a lower temp when not in use. How do we turn energy-saving mode on or off? Press and hold the night light button for 3 seconds. Listen for the toilet's indication sounds. 2 beeps indicate energy-saving mode is off. 1 beep indicates energy-saving mode is on. Third, if the smart toilet seat is set to the highest temp but the seat is not very hot, you need to unplug the power. Wait for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then plug the power back in. Test again to see if the toilet seat temp returns to normal status.